Our dream of an emission-free world is now closer than ever, presenting Ashok Leyland's hydrogen-powered fuel cell electric vehicle. That's built on our Avatar modular platform. With zero tailpipe emissions, this vehicle runs on nature's simplicity. Our hydrogen tanks are carefully mounted behind the cab for enhanced safety. They have a fast filling time and withstand high pressure. The heart of this vehicle is the fuel cell. Here, atmospheric oxygen along with hydrogen produce electricity. We've created an energy flow where the fuel cell powers the power electronics and further the motor that drives the vehicle. This vehicle uses a lithium-ion battery which is powered by the fuel cell and also has a provision for external charging. This battery provides the additional thrust to the vehicle to ascend any gradient. Our vehicle has a salient regenerative braking system. It's an energy recovery mechanism that uses the vehicle's momentum to recapture energy that can be either used immediately or stored until needed. The fuel cell electric vehicle breaks conventional barriers with quick refueling time, improved efficiency and zero emissions, resulting in quiet and smoother rides that provide nature a relief, leading us to our sustainable future. Ashok Leyland, कोई मंजिल दूर नहीं.